Hey everyone, what if I told you that you could write essays faster, take notes smarter, and study more efficiently, all with the help of artificial intelligence? Sounds like the future, right? Well, welcome to the future. It's already here. In this video, I'll show you 7 powerful AI tools that every student needs to know in 2025. Let us go, whether you're in high school, college, or just taking online courses. These tools will save you time, improve your grades, and make studying way more efficient. Stick around till the end, because will show you how to combine these tools into one ultimate study system. One ChatGPT, your personal tutor, starting off with the one and only This AI chatbot can help you break down complex topics, solve math problems, write essays, or even quiz you on what you're studying. Let's say you're struggling with a biology concept. Just type in, explain mitochondria like I'm 5. Boom, simplified explanation in seconds. You can also use it to create personalized flashcards or summarize your class notes. 2. Notion AI. Your smart study planner. Next is Notion AI, the all-in-one productivity app. It helps you organize tasks, take notes, and even generate summaries or schedules. You can literally say, make a weekly study schedule for my chemistry exam, and it'll create one for you instantly. Combine it with spaced repetition techniques, and you'll supercharge your memory. Call to action 3 o'clock. Hey, if you're learning something new so far, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It helps more students find this video and keeps this channel going strong. 3. Grammarly. Writing like a pro. Now, let's talk writing. Grammarly isn't just a spell checker anymore. It now uses AI to rewrite awkward sentences, suggest better tone, and fix clarity issues instantly. Perfect for essays, assignments, and even professional emails to your professors. 4. Quillbot. Paraphrasing made easy. Ever needed to rephrase a paragraph to avoid plagiarism, but still sound smart? Quillbot is your answer. It can paraphrase text in multiple tones, formal, academic, or simple. Don't use it to cheat. Use it to improve your writing style and learn new expressions. Call to action 5 o'clock. If you're finding these tools helpful, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on future videos like this. New educational content drops every week, and it's made just for you. 5. Perplexity AI. The smartest search engine. This one's underrated. Perplexity AI is like Google on steroids. You type in a question and it not only gives you an answer, it also shows where it got the info from. Perfect for writing research papers or doing citations. Try searching, what are the main causes of climate change? It gives you cited, clear answers. Fast. 6. Speechify. Listen to learn. If you're a slow reader or just want to rest your eyes, try It turns any text, PDF, web page, or doc into natural-sounding audio. You can listen to your study material while walking, cooking, or even relaxing. Use it to revise before an exam while commuting. 7. Canva Magic Studio AI for presentations and visual projects. Students often forget that visual presentations are part of learning too. Canva now has AI tools like Magic Write, Magic Design, and text-to-image features. It helps you generate slides, visuals, and infographics in just a few clicks. Great for group projects, posters, or creating standout presentations. Bonus. Combine them for ultimate study power. Here's how you can combine these tools for an insane productivity hack. Use Perplexity AI to research your topic. Ask ChatGPT to turn it into an essay or summary. Paste it into Grammarly and Quillbot to refine the writing. Use Notion AI to schedule study sessions. Turn it into an audio file with Present your ideas visually with Canva AI. That's how you turn a boring assignment into an effortless A+, ending to 9:30 to 10 o'clock. AI isn't here to replace students. It's here to help you become better, faster, and smarter learners. So tell me in the comments, which one of these tools are you most excited to try, and how will you use it in your studies? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next brain-boosting video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.